The Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company (IBEDC) has issued a warning to customers about an increase in scam involving meter replacement. Fraudsters are impersonating company staff and trying to trick customers into paying for unauthorized services or sharing personal information. IBEDC advises customers to be cautious and only engage with authorized personnel who will be in official uniforms and carry identification cards. They also stated that any claims of mandatory meter replacement within a specific time frame are false. Customers are urged to verify the identity of anyone claiming to represent IBEDC to protect themselves from these scams.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.